Next we are discussing this problem. So what we have, numerator is what, integration 0 to infinity log of 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square dx, divided by integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x square dx. So this problem we have to solve. Okay, so one thing is here very important. In integration, if it is given log, then also we'll take base as what, e only, correct na? So here this one we are assuming is what, I1, and this one we are assuming I2. So we have to solve numerator and denominator separately. So first I am solving this one, I2. So I2 equal to what, 0 to 1 log 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x square dx. So here x equal to, we are taking tan theta. So dx is what, secant square theta, d theta will come. So this integration what will come, I2 equal to integration. If x is 0, so if you put 0 here, so tan theta equal to 0. So theta value what will come, 0. So initial value of theta is what, 0. If I put here x value is 1, so tan inverse 1 is what, pi by 4. So upper limit will come what, pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, and dx is what, secant square theta d theta. So this is what, secant square theta d theta. So 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta. So this is getting cancelled. So this is what, I2 equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta. Okay, now here we are using property. So I2 equal to what we can write, 1 by 2 integration 0 to pi by 4 log of fx is as it is 1 plus tan theta plus log 1 plus tan of, instead of theta what we replace, lower limit plus upper limit minus theta. So what will come here, pi by 4 minus theta d theta. This will come. So this will come what, I2 equal to 1 by 2 integration 0 to pi by 4. So here we are using log property. So this one is what, in addition, so it will come in multiplication. So what will come here, log 1 plus tan theta into 1 plus, this one we can solve. So what will come here, tan pi by 4, 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. Okay, log will be there, sorry, log will come d theta, this will come. Okay, so log m plus log n is what, log m into n will come. So n we are solving, so 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta we are using formula. So this will come what, I2 equal to 1 by 2 integration 0 to pi by 4 log, this will come out 1 plus tan theta, here what will come, 1 plus tan theta minus plus 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta d theta. This will come. So 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta getting cancelled, tan theta minus tan theta getting cancelled. So this one log 2 will come. So log 2 is common. So I2 equal to what, log 2 divided by 2 integration 0 to pi by 4 d theta will come. So this will come what, log 2 divided by 2, okay, theta will come, limit is 0 to pi by 4. So from here I2 will be what, log 2 divided by 2, this will come what, pi by 4, minus 0 is what, pi by 4 only. So this will come what, pi log 2 divided by 8, this will come. So I2 is what, this one. Next we are finding I1. So what is I1? I1 is integration 0 to infinite log of 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square dx. This will come. So here x equal to tan theta only we will put, dx equal to what, secant square theta d theta. So I1 is what, integration. If I put lower value 0, so 0 equal to tan theta, so theta value will be 0. And if I put infinite, so tan theta is infinite, so theta is what, pi by 2 log 1 plus x is what, tan theta, so tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta into secant square theta d theta. This will come. So this is getting cancelled. 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta. So I1 will come what? Integration 0 to pi by 2 log secant square theta. So what will come? Secant square theta. So 1 by cos square theta d theta. This one we can write. So from here I1 is what? 0 to pi by 2. So this will come what? Minus 2 log modulus of cos theta d theta will come. So this will come what? I1 equal to minus 2 is outside, integration 0 to pi by 2 log modulus cos theta d theta. This will come. Okay. So integration 0 to pi by 2 log modulus cos theta d theta. So theta is what? 0 to pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 cos is positive. So we can remove modulus. Okay. And we know the integration 0 to pi by 2 log of modulus cos theta d theta. So what is the integration will come? I1, I am writing here, I1 equal to minus 2. This one what will come? Minus pi by 2 log 2. So here what will come? Minus getting here, 2 getting cancelled. I1 will come what? Pi log 2. So I1 is what? Pi log 2. This will come. So here I1 is what? Pi log 2 divided by I2 is what? Pi log 2 divided by 8. So this one is getting cancelled. 8 will come in numerator. So what is answer? 8. So this one divided by this one is what? 8.